So I just closed another 3,000 per month deal as a video editor, and just wanted to talk about this with this beautiful view behind me and talking about it, how I can charge $3,000 to $4,000 per month and why you're not different, because you're the same human as I am. You have the same 24 hours as I have, and I have been in the same exact shoes as you are at the moment. So you have the same time available like I have. The only difference between you and me is that I understood how to charge more, and I understood the whole game about video editing to charge premium fees, and that's why also I could move back towards Dubai, because a year ago I was broke. I was a real estate agent in Dubai, and video was always my passion. And I need to move back and sleep on the couch of my mom's apartment because I quit it as a real estate agent, and then I didn't have any income, but video was still my passion, and I also made good money back in the days with video, but then I pivoted towards real estate. And when I was in Germany for 1, 2, 3 months, and also Poland, the investor I worked with here in Dubai told me, "Hey Noah, can we work together? I know that you have experience with video and with YouTube, because previously I was building also YouTube channels, or I was like building one YouTube channel, but never saw the big thing in it. But this thing changed my whole life. I tell you guys, this exact thing changed my whole life. So I was in Germany 16, 17, 18, making already good money with video editing, but I was always this replaceable video editor. I had kind of a glass roofing above me, and I was making $2,000-3,000 per month, which wasn't bad. I closed also one deal 8,000, and another deal I closed 6,000, but this wasn't recurring revenue. So yeah, back to the story. I was in Germany, and this investor approached me, "Hey, you did already something with YouTube, I want to build a YouTube channel." And then we started building his YouTube channel. 1 year forward, I have multiple clients where I'm building YouTube channels for them, because I understood the system to acquire customers for my customers with the skill of video editing. So it's not only about the video editing, it's about the bigger picture, because video editing is just a small puzzle of the whole picture. Because when someone hires you as a video editor, he understands that he needs videos to acquire customers. But when you go towards a client and you tell him, "Hey, I will build you a lead machine," and video is obviously a big chunk of a part of this whole work, and you learn how to acquire customers through videos, how to build stories, which videos to choose to acquire customers in this specific niche, how to create thumbnails, title engineering, call to actions, landing pages, and then converting into calls. You are a money machine for your clients. So it's not only, "Hey, can you edit a video for me?" It's, "Hey, what will happen towards your business when I can bring you 5 to 10 clients per week," for example. Yeah, just name a number. But what will happen towards your business when you have monthly leads coming in? They trust you, they know you from your content, they know your offer, they know what you're offering. What will happen to your business? So there's a big difference between, "Hey, I will edit some videos for you," and they try to lower your price, obviously, because you are a cost and not an investment. And nowadays I work with clients which pay me between 3,000 and 4,000 euros per month, because we're building a lead machine, because I know how to build YouTube channels. So I have been in the same shoes as you are. Probably we work also the same time, just I'm using a different vehicle. I'm just using a different vehicle to get towards my goals. which is offering more value towards my clients. So what changed in my life? I could move back towards Dubai. This is actually my apartment here, so this is in our building. I have downstairs, I have a pool, I have a 2-story gym, I have a sauna, and I have literally a blessing life. I'm so thankful about my life. I'm so grateful. And in 1.5 months, I'm going to fly to Saint-Tropez, to France, with my clients, because they have some projects there. So you can even choose what lifestyle kind of you want. I have some clients as well here in Dubai, and I have some clients which work internationally. Obviously, they're also based in Dubai, but that doesn't mean that you need to move to Dubai to get clients. No, I have also clients in Germany. You just need to find your sweet spot. And so I'm capable just living in Dubai and deciding as well to fly to Saint-Tropez with my clients, and afterwards I will fly to Poland to my family, and I will spend a very nice time there. Then I will fly to Germany, and living actually the life which I wanted to live since I'm 13, 14, 15, since Instagram was kind of launched and the whole world was kind of accessible for all of us. Like, for sure, I know that when you like saw the first time Instagram, and the first time you saw that there's luxury, freedom, and there were people, they did whatever they wanted to do in life, and they just have been rich, and they just have been free, and they lived that luxury life which you probably also want to live, and you saw it maybe the first time. And actually I can do it right now. Actually, I'm on this terrace right now looking towards the water and living that life, being free, having a high income, and deciding what I can do in my life. Like, my brain is so free. So it's not about video editing that stops you. It's just a vehicle. Like, you need to go beyond that. You need to find the right business model, because I always edited videos and tried to go here and try to do these videos and try to do that kind of videos, but there was not a specific result which I was focusing on for one specific niche. But now I did it. So I'm focusing on one result, which is acquiring customers for businesses through YouTube, building a lead machine. And when you want to learn how this works, or when you have any questions, drop me a DM, or when you want to work with me, because I'm actually transforming out of video editors, I transform into entrepreneurs. So the same like I did. So I'm sharing in this program, I'm sharing everything I know. Because I got some questions from my last videos. Hey Noah, how do you do this? Hey Noah, how do you live this life? And I'm showing you exactly how you transform from a normal video editor into a entrepreneur, which makes more than 10,000 euros, or breaking first time 10,000 euros with this business model. Because I never saw that somebody is teaching this kind of vehicle. I see that there are people doing it, and kind of also in the business in a different sense, but not really transforming out of a video editor into a real business. I know that there are agency models, but still there are replaceable. Still, they don't work on a monthly basis, and you create wedding videos, or you create. This was never my world, like creating wedding videos or being on set and creating something, or being a video editor, kind of hired, and then you need to work all the time, because probably I work the same time as you, but I can hire video editors into my team, and they edit the videos of my clients, because I understand which videos to produce for my clients to get customers, so they make revenue. So I can hire somebody who is editing the videos, because you as an editor, you are replaceable, but I'm achieving results for my clients. So there's a big difference. So when I stumbled over this, I shared some things on YouTube here about my life. I got immediately questions, how does it work, and so on and so forth. And then I just thought, okay, let me share it, whatever I'm doing, and take you on the path and see you succeed, because I know exactly where I have been. I've been there, not be able to pay for bills in Germany, and trying to be this entrepreneur, but being in a vehicle which wasn't really the right one for me to literally earn these 10,000 euros per month. But since I was focusing on YouTube, everything changed in my life. When you want to achieve the same thing what I achieved in my life, then click the first link in the description. There's a work with me link. You can just click on it and book a call straight into my calendar so we can talk one-on-one. I will answer all of your questions, how it works and how we can work together. And when you have any other questions, you can also drop me an Instagram DM. And when you got value out of this video, then for sure we will see each other in another video. Bye-bye. Look how crazy the Burj Khalifa is right now going. Maybe I can focus it. This looks crazy. Okay guys, see you.